Hello everyone. Let us discuss about aphorism 27 and 28. We have already discussed 26th aphorism in detail, right? Where Hahnemann would like to give that how nature is supporting the law of similia. He is giving explanation, examples, they are occurring in the nature through law of similia. Okay. So now he would like to strengthen that aphorism through 27th and 28th aphorism still more. 27th aphorism, he is discussing that if curative power of the medicine depends upon similarity of the disease, superiority of its strength. So when the remedy is similar to the totality of symptoms and is stronger than the disease, it is annihilated more surely, radically, rapidly and permanently. So which we see in second aphorism, which talks about highest ideal of cure, how the cure should be. In next aphorism, what we find is many people started asking question to Hahnemann regarding how cure take place. Okay, you are telling that law of similia works and cure is also taking place. Now explain us how cure takes place. But Hahnemann is attaching very less importance in explanation how cure takes place, or he is not interested. He does not feel necessary. Why? Because he is every day seeing that the law of similia is true. So he says that natural law of cure manifests itself in every pure experiment. This fact of law is also established in the world by true observation. For example, we see hereditary conversion to homeopathy. Okay, during those days, people were very crazy for homeopathy, or homeopathy was becoming very famous. Apothecaries got insecure, allopathics got insecure of those days, right? So they wanted to demolish this new system of medicine. They did never wanted to give any importance to the new system and also to Hahnemann. So they requested Dr. Henry Robbie, who was a surgeon during those days, to write some article which should destroy the whole homeopathic system of medicine. This work, what was given to Henry Robbie, was given to his assistant. Means he entrusted this work to his assistant Herring. Okay. Now what Herring does? Herring cannot write anything just like that against homeopathy without knowing it. And he goes through whole of the literature what Hahnemann had written. Then he comes to one small note over there that's not notably to my reviewers. So in that Hahnemann mentions that law of similia shouldn't be accepted just like that, and it shouldn't be discarded also just like that. If you want to accept or want to discard, conduct the experiment and see if it is not true, then discard it. If it is true, then you must accept it. Okay, so this was what he had mentioned. Then Herring said the explanation is logical. What Hahnemann is asking is a logical thing. So what he did is he conducted the experiment again, and his surprise, he saw to it that law of similia came true. So then it was so same as Hahnemann did. He repeated. See, during those days, people were after truth. They were not after something. If at all he has been given assigned the work that to demolish it, he did not do it just to demolish. He applied his own logic. He saw that it is true. Then he accepted. Rather than demolishing homeopathy, he himself got converted and he wrote 10 volumes on Materia Medica. Such is the importance of law of similia and dedication of people during those days. Okay, so next Hahnemann would like to give a probable explanation to modus operandi how homeopathy works. So he tries to give explanation based on his experience. Okay, so let us go through modus operandi in next aphorism. Thank you.